Your avatar lives on platforms. The accounts you set up in this lesson become the public face of the brand, the place audiences first encounter your character. Set them up wrong and you'll waste weeks fighting platform restrictions or getting confused as a fake account. Platform priorities. You don't need to be on every platform. Pick your top 3 based on niche: fitness, beauty, lifestyle, fashion, Instagram, plus TikTok, plus Pinterest, finance, business, tech, AI, YouTube, plus X, Twitter, plus LinkedIn, faith, motivation, relationships, Instagram, plus TikTok, plus YouTube, real estate, local services, Instagram, plus YouTube, plus Facebook, pets, kids, food, TikTok, plus Instagram, plus Pinterest. Key point: start with 2 platforms, not 5. Build to 1,000 followers on your first platform before opening account. Splitting attention. 5 ways is the #1 reason new creators stall. Username strategy. Same handle on every platform, @avatar name, or @avatar name. Official. Avoid numbers and underscores when possible. They look low effort. If your avatar's name is taken, add the niche, @maya.marketing or @jordan.fitness. Check availability everywhere before committing. Use namecheck.com. Bio optimization. Every platform bio needs what you do, niche, plus specific outcome. 1 line. Who it's for, your target audience. 1 line. What's different, your angle or hook. 1 line. Optional. Call to action. What they should click. Link in bio. Example. Niche. AI tools. Bio. AI tools for solopreneurs without the hype. Honest reviews plus free prompts. New video, Mon Wed Fry. Free prompt library. Profile image, use the same headshot from your avatar library. Square crop, head and shoulders, plain background. Same image on every platform. Recognition matters more than uniqueness. Disclosure. Add somewhere in your bio, not necessarily prominent, but present. AI-generated creator, or virtual character. This protects you from impersonation claims, and most platforms now require it for AI accounts. Platform-specific setup. TikTok set niche category in profile settings. Helps the algorithm. Add your link to website field once you have it. Switch to creator account, not business. Better organic reach as of 2025. Pin your 3 best videos at the top once you have them. Instagram. Switch to professional. Creator, not business. Creator gets better real reach. Use a link aggregator, Beacons, Linktree, for multiple destination links. Set up highlights immediately. Even with placeholder covers. Add 5 to 10 niche-specific hashtags to your bio. YouTube, custom channel art. 2560x 1440 banner. Channel trailer. 30 to 60-second avatar intro for non-subscribers. Featured video for returning subscribers. Playlists, organized by topic from day 1. Pinterest, claim your website. Huge SEO benefit. Create 5 to 8 boards aligned with your niche before posting. Use rich pins. They get prioritized in feeds. Post vertical, 1000 gags 1500. Pins with text overlay, not just video screenshots. X, Twitter. Header image with avatar plus tagline. Pinned post that captures your niche promise. Banner link to your lead magnet. Hashtag strategy. The 3-tier hashtag system, 5 broad tags. High volume, helps category placement. Fitness, #A tools. 5 medium tags. Niche specific. #protein pacing. #A marketing hacks. 5 small tags. Under 100K posts, actually rankable. #solopreneur. Mix of all 3 on every post. Update the list every 30 days based on what's performing. Content categories. Pillars. Define 3 content pillars for your account. Every video falls into one. Pillar 1, education, 50%. Teach the core skill of your niche. Pillar 2, inspiration, 30%. Motivation, transformation stories, mindset. Pillar 3, recommendation, 20%. Products, tools, resources, with affiliate links. The algorithm likes accounts with clear topical focus. Drifting between unrelated niches kills reach. Set up your top 2 platforms today: bio, profile image, and pinned posts. Don't post any content yet. We'll plan content in the next lesson.